In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to install the residential VoIP service. First of all, let's make sure we have all the components ready on the table. You'll need an MP201 device, a 12-volt power adapter, a LAN cable, an RJ11 telephone cable, and a telephone. Once we have everything, we can begin. Step 1. Connect the WAN port to your broadband modem or router with the LAN cable. Step 2. Connect phone 1 to the telephone with the RJ11 telephone cable. Step 3. Connect the device to standard 220-volt AC power with the 12-volt power adapter. Phone 1 and status LED are in red light after connected to the power. When the LED lights turn green, it means your telephone is connected. You should be all set, so try and make your first call. Hope you find this helpful. For inquiries on the user guide of residential telephone value-added services, you may download it from our homepage at www.hgcbroadband.com. Thanks for watching.